The second mission is to create 3D models. Normally, these models are created with tools like Blender, Maya 3D modeling tools, but we are going to use an AI generation tool called Masterpiece X. Put your mouse at the top, the second icon, right-click it, and click Open in New tab, and then you will see a new website pop up. It's called Masterpiece X. Okay, I've already logged on for you. If you are not logged on, let me know. I'll help you to do that. And we have 250 credits for now. Let's click View Tutorial first. It's over here. Well, introducing 3D generation with Masterpiece X. Again, it's just talking about 3D generation used to be a quite complex process using tools like Blender. It takes very long time to create. We have lots of AI tools like text to image, text to blog post, even text to code, but text to 3D really is very new. So it has limitations. Let's take a look. It is not for creating uncommon objects like a gorilla with legs. To describe the shape or mesh, please try to make it straightforward with common objects or animals. And it may take multiple generations to get what you want. Cool. Capabilities, it can create human animals and objects. It can even add animations to human models. We've already seen it in a Friendly Desert example, like the waving person. I'd love you to use objects and animals this time instead of animations. I will talk about animations and incorporate in the virtual website in another event if we have more time. So let's click these steps. The steps to generate the 3D objects is first, describe the shape or the mesh. It needs to be quite simple, straightforward. Second is paint to describe the 3D model's texture. It is really an image for the texture, so it can be more descriptive. We'll see in a moment. Again, let's use object and animals this time instead of animation to get a taste here. Final thoughts. So let's go and start generating. Well, how about let's choose object. And here you can choose either 1 or 2. But if you want to use 1, it's only 50 credits. Let's do 2 this time. Scroll to the bottom and click next, add shape. How about let's use airplane. Okay, so let's click next, add paint. And here when you click it, you can see the paint details. Let's choose some of those, for example, 4K, highly detailed, ArtStation. So that's different things you can choose. You might want to have a cartoon type of the airplane if you want. Now let's click Generate 3D Models. It takes 100 credits. You can see on the right side, you have 2 options. Progress, it takes 2 to 8 minutes. We'll come back in a moment. Now it's done. Let's take a look. The first one, let's click it. Well, this is a very old type of aircraft. This might be something we want, and we can click download the airplane to your computer. And we can also check the second one. Well, this is a little bit weird. You can see the generation is not really successful unless you want something weird. I'd like to show you another attempt I did previously. The text prompt is quite different. You can see it's Boeing airplane. I made it more specific so you can see the result is quite modern type of aircraft. If you want this, click download again. And later we are going to use the 3D model and put it in our virtual website and share it with the others around the globe.